Hi everyone, Liz here. Thanks for stopping by. So my extra special parcel has arrived all the way from Canada and from the lovely Baylee J. Oh my goodness, I've opened a couple of parcels of things from hers in the past and she brought a new range out and I thought, no. Oh, all right, then go on. So it's this gorgeous range of stationery. So this is her tape that she puts on her parcels, and she tries to do it so that it matches in with the theme and the artwork of the little items that she's selling. So yeah, we've got the little pussycats there as well, and washi tape that she sells and everything. So yeah, you can't wait to get into this one. It's come through Canada Post, and it amazes me how fast things can get from Canada. I can post things down to my brother in London and I get things from Canada quicker than he gets things from me, and I'm only like 400 miles away, so oh dear. This one has actually been opened by Canada Post, look, or by the Canada Border Services Agency there. So they've opened it up and retaped it, which is a little bit sad because I don't like to keep the tape. I've got this on because I'm covering over the addresses on it, so yeah. Okay, let me get it open and we'll see what we've got this time. Oh, look. So this time around are like little stationery themed items that she's done. She's done all different items as well. So look, I love this. We've got the pink and like vanilla crinkle paper just to pad it all out and to make it look really, really pretty when you open it. And that's my freebie sticker, look. We've got a little pussycat sat in amongst the flowers. Look at that. That is really, really cute. All her own drawn artwork. She's a very, very clever and talented artist. I do love her things. And as I say, I resisted for a long, long time, and I've been watching her for a long time. But in the last recent years, I've just thought, I'm just going to have to get something because I love them. So she's designed and brought out her own pencil cases. Look at this. So all with this same artwork on it, the stationery artwork. So how cool is that to get a pencil case that's got stationery on it? Okay, we'll look at that closer in a little minute. This is a desk mat. Gosh, that's heavy. Goodness me. It's like a mouse mat, but it's a lot longer, so it covers a lot more of your desk for crafting or whatever on, or if you're doing sticky things and everything. Again, all the same design on it. And then what else did I get? Oh yeah, I got a print. So let me just move that. I watched her actually draw this. Well, not on YouTube, I watched her. She's also on TikTok as well, and lots of other social media sites. You always get a gorgeous thank you card. I'm getting a nice collection of these now. Which design have we got on the back of this thank you card? Let me have a look. This one is, oh, it's the strawberry design. I think we might have strawberries, not sure, but again, all drawn by her. And then this is Forest Cuddles, and she actually drew all this out on a massive piece of paper. I think it was about an A3 size, and she's coloured it all in with Copic markers. So all of the shading and all of the detail are Copic markers, and then just a little bit of pencil crayon on the top just to add some extra highlights in. But look at the little bunny, and you just knew I had to get it when it's got a bunny and a mouse on it. But look at a bunny. So yeah, just watching how it comes to life. She just has a flat piece of paper, and particularly when she was like drawing these lemons at this side, and I can't remember if they're apples or I can't remember what she said they were now. But yeah, and the 3D effect that you can get from just a flat piece of paper, just using shading and everything. She's fantastic. I love that as a diamond painting. She does have diamond paintings with Diamond Art Club, but unfortunately when she puts her paintings up, they're all voted for now by members of the Diamond Art Club, like Facebook group, and they don't vote for Baylee J, which is really sad because I think that would make a fantastic diamond painting. Would absolutely love that as a diamond painting. So yeah, look at that, it's so cute. So yeah, and the little Baylee J logo on the back, look, with the tulips. Okay, and then I got my first t-shirt, my first piece of clothing or apparel, as they call it. And look at this. Hang on. Oops, it's upside down. Let me move this box out the way. So we've got a baby pink t-shirt. I've got it in 2XL because she said the sizes run really small, and I do normally get an XL. So let us have a look at this and see whether we can fit in it. Fingers crossed we can. Yeah, it's that way up, look. She has her own embroidery machines, so she actually takes her designs, like from her other items, and she puts them into the software for the embroidery, and she's really, really particular about how it sews, and she looks at every stitch and where it goes and what it does, so that she gets this fantastic effect, so that you really do look, you know, as though it's a really high quality embroidery onto a t-shirt. And I think this is just so pretty, and I thought, oh, I'll have to get this one. She's also done one as well that's like a pocket, and the pens and pencils are coming out of the pocket. They're embroidered, so you've got an actual pocket in the t-shirt, but the pens and pencils are coming out of it, and I think that looks fantastic as well. So yeah, this is, and she's got the Baylee J logo. She has a heat press, is it DST, printed on there, heat printed your logo onto there, look. So yeah, oh, this does look very, very small, I have to say, but they are very stretchy, she said. So maybe I'll have to lose an awful lot of weight, but it's just so pretty, and I just had to get it. Maybe I should have got a 3XL. You could just never tell with things as to what you're going to get. I mean, when you think that t-shirt I got the other day, the Scottie dog one, was only one size up from this, allegedly, and it was like a tent. It was huge. So yeah, you're never quite sure on the sizing. I would say that this is running a very small 2XL, but anyway, that's fine. It will definitely be put to use. And I think it's £16.53 this, so for like a hand embroidered t-shirt, I think that's a really good value, and the really good quality as well. She will only, when she's buying things, she will only buy things that are good quality. She tends to buy the blanks first, and she wears them herself and everything, so she's just such a good seller, a good person selling things. Yeah, I love watching her. But yeah, so that's my first piece of apparel, t-shirt, so loving that. As I say, I think it may run a little bit small for me, but you never know. We will get it on and we'll have a look at it. Right, let's have a look at this pencil case. So yeah, this is the first time she's done a pencil case, and again, she's designed it how she wanted it, with how she wanted the colours and everything to be. Price of this one was £9.92, but when you see it, just keep that sticker there, otherwise I'm going to lose it off the edge of the desk. Look, we've got the little gold Baylee J logo on like the little zip fobs. So we've got two of those where it opens, and they're double-sided. So, I mean, you know, again, that attention to detail is marvellous. And then it opens up that way, and you've got pockets inside. It's all nice, like a wipeable fabric on the inside. And then the front part opens out. So it's a zip that goes, oops, hang on, all the way around. Let me just start from this side and open it. Okay, and then when it flattens down, you've got your little pocket there, and then you've got all your pen places here, all your little like bands to put your pens in. And then we've got a little side opening there, so you can go, oh, if you've got it open like this on your desk, probably this way up, and then you can just open up there and take your things out from in there as well. So I think that's really well designed, and it's a big size as well. It's not just a small pencil case. It has got a lot of room inside to get a lot of things in there. So yeah, I'm really pleased with this. And then we've just got the little hanger on the end, look, so you can pick it up or hang it somewhere if you want to. But yeah, her design just matches all the way through, look. She was a bit disappointed that some of the colours, because she was ordering things from different manufacturers, that different things from different people were coming up slightly different colours. But I don't mind, I think it's great. And, you know, we've got the little ink pot here, we've got little stickers. So she's done her own little stickers as stickers on here. You can buy the stickers, and she has got one of the little pins as well that you can buy. And then we've got pencils with the hearts on, and a pencil there, look, with Baylee J on it, and scissors. And then we've got these lovely little pens with the heart on as well. And I love the fact that we've got the washi tape there, and a little post-it note with a little pussycat on it as well. So it's just so much detail gone into this. So yeah, really liking that. I think that's an excellent item. Okay, so we'll put that one out there, and then we'll have a look at this. This is actually a B grade, so she does go through things, and if she's not 100% happy with how they look, then she discounts them, rather than contacting the manufacturer and saying, you know, oh, these aren't right. She just discounts them to her customers and sells them off. So yeah, I think that's really good of her. Obviously, if she gets a lot, I think she does contact the manufacturers. But on the whole, she expects to get some that aren't quite 100%. Because when you're buying things in bulk, you will find that not every single item is going to be 100%. So as much as you would like it to, it doesn't always work out. So yeah, look at the size of this mat. It's great. Oh, it goes right across my desk. It's actually bigger than my desk, and I've put it upside down again. What is going on? All I can say is my brain must work upside down, because the amount of times I pick things up and do things and they're upside down. So, but yeah, it's like a silky material. Quite as, how do I describe it? It's a little, well, it is like a big mouse mat. It has got the rubber backing on it. So if you are wanting to do your crafting, it's not going to move. It's a nice soft surface. And for rubber stamping, it would be excellent, because you've just got that little bit of give to give a bit of extra pressure when you're pressing your stamps down on it. But I just thought this would be great, you know, for when I'm sealing things, then this is wiped clean afterwards. And I thought this would make a really good mat for my desk. So yeah, but isn't that pretty? And then you've got your lovely little pencil case. And then I do love my little forest dreams. Look at that. Oh, little mouse and there. And yeah, you always do get your freebie sticker as well. So I think that's an exclusive one. I'm not sure if she was selling that one or not. So that'll go in my little sticker folder. And my little t-shirt. So it was just a small order this time. The postage from Canada was £12.92. So not too bad. You do really, if you are ordering, say from Baylee J to the UK, you do really need to be ordering a few things to make it worth your while on the postage. I wouldn't have just ordered a pencil case and then paid probably the same amount as the pencil case in postage. It's always worth just buying extra bits as well. Well, that's my excuse, and I'm sticking to it. So yeah, I am really pleased with these. I thought you might like to see my new purchase. And yeah, Baylee J, thank you so much. Very, very pleased. If I do get the t-shirt on and I look nice in it, I may add a photograph of me wearing it. If you don't see one, then sorry, it's not for public consumption. Okay, well, do go and check out BayleeJ.com and have a look at her items. She does have over 1 million followers, so she's been doing YouTube for a long, long time, and she does a lot of gaming as well, so yeah. But I do love watching her create art, and I love the fact that you watch somebody draw something from scratch, and then you can actually buy that piece of art and have that at home on your wall. I just think that's going to look so pretty. I'm going to have to get a little frame for that. I think the 5x7, so it should be okay. Right, well, just a quick unboxing, and I hope you've enjoyed looking at these with me. If you have, then as always, a thumbs up is very much appreciated. Any comments or questions in the comments down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you want to join our little family, see what we get up to next, see if I do buy any more from Baylee, then if you press that subscribe button down in this corner and the all notifications bell that pops up, you'll be notified when any of my videos come out, so you're not gonna miss anything. Yay! Okay, thanks ever so much for stopping by. Take care, everyone, and I do hope to see you all again soon. Bye for now.